Australia's Boeing MQ-28 Ghost Bat Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle, UCAV, is increasingly emerging as a potential candidate for future Indian Air Force (IAF) requirements as defence cooperation between India and Australia expands into advanced aerospace technologies. While neither side has formally announced an offer or acquisition proposal, recent developments indicate that discussions surrounding the cutting-edge Loyal Wingman platform are gaining momentum. Speculation regarding Indian interest in the MQ-28 intensified following high-level discussions between the two countries on future aerospace cooperation. During the engagement, the Australian Department of Defence released a photograph showing IAF Air Vice Marshal Sanjeev Talia and Australian Deputy Chief of Air Force Air Vice Marshal Stephen Pearce standing in front of an MQ-28 Ghost Bat demonstrator. Although no official statement linked the aircraft to procurement discussions, defense observers viewed the imagery as a deliberate signal that the platform was among the technologies being examined under the broader framework of future aerospace collaboration. The MQ-28 Ghost Bat was developed by Boeing Australia as a collaborative combat aircraft (CCA) designed to operate alongside manned fighter aircraft. Unlike traditional drones, the Ghost Bat functions as an autonomous, loyal wingman, using artificial intelligence to support crewed aircraft during complex missions. It can undertake reconnaissance, electronic warfare, decoy operations, intelligence gathering, and precision strike missions while allowing human pilots to remain outside the most dangerous threat envelopes. Industry sources indicate that Boeing is prepared to offer the platform to India with significant technology transfer provisions, including local manufacturing and customization. Such an arrangement could potentially allow the Ghost Bat to be integrated with a range of Indian Air Force combat aircraft, including the Tejas Mk-1A, Rafale, and Su-30 Mki. Customized communication architectures and mission systems could enable seamless manned-unmanned teaming operations tailored to Indian operational requirements. The IAF's reported interest in collaborative combat aircraft is driven by rapidly evolving aerial threats across the region. Of particular concern are next-generation UCAVs and AI-enabled combat drones being developed or acquired by neighboring countries. Platforms such as Turkey's Bayraktar K.Z. Lelma have demonstrated how autonomous systems are beginning to blur the distinction between traditional fighter aircraft and unmanned combat vehicles. As regional air forces move toward integrating such systems into their future force structures, the IAF is seeking ways to ensure it remains technologically competitive. India is already pursuing indigenous programs in this domain. The Defence Research and Development Organization's Ghatak Stealth UCAV project and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's CATS Warrior Loyal Wingman program are intended to provide long-term indigenous solutions. However, both platforms remain under development and are not expected to enter operational service in the immediate future. In this context, the MQ-28 Ghost Bat could provide the IAF with a mature and flight-tested capability that accelerates its transition toward collaborative combat operations. By fielding a proven Loyal Wingman platform while indigenous programs continue to mature, the Air Force could gain valuable operational experience in manned-unmanned teaming, AI-enabled mission management, and distributed air combat concepts.